Hi everybody, today I'm going to make some easy vegan gluten-free banana bread. It's moist, delicious, and it's perfect for a snack or for a breakfast. Let's look at the ingredients. You will need some ripe or very ripe bananas, some sun-raising gluten-free flour, some brown sugar, some xanthan gum, some oat flakes, some cinnamon powder, soya milk, some oil, some melted vegetable spread. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease your loaf pan with some vegetable spread and place some baking paper onto the surface. Soak the oats for 5 minutes. Mash the bananas, then add the brown sugar. Give it a good mix. Now add the melted vegetable spread, the oil, and the oats. Mix well, then add the soya milk. Xanthan gum, the flour, and the cinnamon powder. Give it a mix until you get this texture. At this point, you can add the dry seeds and raisins. Pour the mixture into the loaf pan and smooth with a spatula. Sprinkle some brown sugar on top. Bake the bread at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Insert a wooden skewer. If it comes out clean, then it's done. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Then on a cooling rack for another 10 minutes. Nicely slice the bread and enjoy it with your favorite hot drink. Thanks for watching and sharing my video. See you soon.